My name is then Eva-Stina Rönnholm. I'm a Vice President Finance Control, but also Business Development, touching on operational excellence, continuous improvement and so on. The Jari Wärtsilä Automation Transformation Program, in fact, it started some years back, around 2016. We scaled automation to many different departments. It was everything from where we had the spare part logistics center, a lot of transactions. It was in finance control, it was the project, financial controlling, it was in the manufacturing, even in the R&D. It was in basically almost all kind of domains. It's an evolution to go over them from RPA into process mining, and it has gone a little bit hand in hand with our strategy in Wärtsilä. Now you get out from a task-oriented RPA to a bigger process.
We see process mining as a great tool to support our continuous improvement journey. So with process mining we are able to visualize the current process, current state, and then based on the results we can then see the areas where we need to improve, and then we can do the changes and then do process mining again so that we can see if the impact was how we thought it would be.
For us and for many organizations, you have quite big processes. They become siloed. Being able to break those walls, that's very important.
If we look at the supply chains today, there's a lot to do with sustainability. And there's also, of course, geopolitical risks that you need to take into account. So it varies from a wide array of larger global issues to then local distribution bottlenecks. Being able to reduce the lead time for our main assembly with about 30%. Also linked to that is then the elimination of issues that we are encountering during the assembly process, and then we have been able to reduce the hurdles and issues by approximately 25%. And this is where technology from UiPath is one of the key enablers. Process mining gives a completely new dimension and a level of detail. It's amazing.
The process that was in scope was the material flow from warehouse to production. So the process starts with a production order in our ERP system. That is then triggering an outbound delivery. Then we deliver the picked components either with an AGV, which is an automated guided vehicle, or a manual forklift to the production.
In order to produce something, you need to have your parts, you want to have them on time, and you want to have all what you need in the same time, and the flow needs to go on all the time. And it needs to be very stable and predictable.
The fascinating thing also with the process mining is that you can connect easily to other stakeholders, customers, to suppliers, to banks, to anywhere where you want to improve. And I think one of the thing here is that the process mining is coming more also from convincing, it's from bottom up. It's a pull from the organization itself. This is a tool for us to help ourselves.